Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're gonna get started to build our app. So we're gonna build everything in this page, but I would highly encourage you to split out in multiple different files. Just for simplicity, I'm gonna keep everything on the same page so you can see the entire code. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. We're gonna make sure first we have all the imports. So we're gonna be using some part of combine. So let's go ahead and import combine here as well. And then let's go ahead and basically set a section for models, and we are going to have two models in this case. One is going to be called path point, and this will store all the path that user has dragged on so we can actually trace it back. Okay, so it's going to be a simple struct called path point, and it's going to be conforming to the identifiable protocol. We are going to have an ID, but instead of having X and Y, let's go ahead and use CG point. So we're going to use point as CG point. There we go. And point has like no information, so it's a core graphics type. So if you go look into it, it basically contains here X and Y, but it is a unit that is provided to you. Okay, now right after this we're going to create our next model. Our next model is basically for the particle effect. So those particles that we were playing to show the fireworks animation, those particles need to have their own model, and each particle will basically keep the information, or each particle type will keep the information about its position, velocity, color, size, and opacity. Okay, and for efficiency, we are also going to make sure that our particles actually reuse and disappear on the timely manner. So that's why we are creating our custom type, just to handle the entire fireworks animation. Okay, so we're going to create a particle type. This is going to be conforming to identifiable protocol, and some of these properties that Xcode is suggesting are correct. So there's going to be an ID, there's going to be a position of CG point. We also need velocity, which is going to be a CG point as well, and we're going to have color, we're going to have size of type CG float, and let's go ahead and set the opacity as well. And this is going to be double, and by default we're going to set this value as 1.0. okay, so these are two models that we're going to basically have for our app. Once again, first one is to keep the track of all the drawn points, all the points where the path is drawn, and the second one is to play the fireworks animation. Okay, now let's go ahead and hop on to the next video where we're going to start working on our view model. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.